Just try to keep up. This place can get a little rough. Ahoy, mateys! Look who's back! High five! I'm a bit of a celebrity here. Always laughing. Ow! Come on, follow me.
Oh, great emoji! I thought the conversation just got dumber.
Internet trolls, just ignore them. Eventually they'll get a job or a girlfriend or some sort of purpose in life and they'll stop. Virus, we'll just walk over this way.
Hi, it's so good to see you again.
Do I know you?
It's Sam. Yes, I'm here and I can get you special discounts on vitamins and credit card offers that can save you up to 25%.
25%? No, don't get sucked in.
Back up, Fab!
It's the only way to do it.
Back up!
Thank you very much. You can illegally download our CD right here.
Hey, Trojan Horse, how are you?
Yeah, well, lick me hand.
I'll have a bottle of Hack Daniels. Maybe with a plate of cheese and hackers. Capiche?
You try to find a hacker. Just ask him.
Oh, sorry. Yes, we're looking for a hacker named Jailbreak.
Well, I know a guy to hook you up.
Mom, I saw Brian in this video.
Ah, he looks capable.
Not him. Her.
Wait, he's a she? Hey, Jailbreak, mind if we join you?
Yes.
That's the thing about the internet. You never know if someone's being ironic or sincere.
I sincerely, unironically want you to go away.
Get out the refrigerator.
So here's the thing. My friend Gene here has a little problem.
Well, see, I'm supposed to be a man, but I don't really feel...
Well, yeah, no, that's good. And we thought you could help, since you got the princess, off the phone.
Not interested.
Oh no! It's a robot!
Whoa, sit up. That's
Joe
not
Seward.
bad.
Then turn it like
Fox, they're after me!
Joe Seward. Oh my gosh, the coronavirus!
Robert, stop.
How are you doing that?
Look, it's just something I
Joe,
can do
say
to
what?
help us.
Mummy.
Brian, what?
Joe Seward.
Follow me.
Joe Seward. Joe Seward.
Boss, delete my history.
Ma'am!
Hi.
Joe
I'm
Seward.
gonna give you this today.
I made the most delicious cinnamon buns. Maybe there was something to, jog my memory.
Right. He deleted it. Right.
Hey, trolls.
Bad
Is our
boy.
mailbox wearing a tuxedo?
Robert, no. Put it down.
Hi, it's so good to see you again. Mommy. This tunnel will get us out of here. Move! Mommy, check. Can I get some checks?
No. What did I say? I'm feeding y'all. Listen.
Cheese.
That cloud tastes sweet to you.
Brian. No.
Help, I'm stuck.
Sweet motherboard.
Where am I?
Candy Crush.
Get me out of here.
Hey, Pompey! Try getting out of the
Got it.
Hold tight, Gene.
This feels very odd. Thanks, Nels. I mean, it sounds good. It smells delicious, but I just don't like it.
The game obviously thinks you're a candy, even though you're weirdly misshapen, you know?
What are we gonna do?
Stay very still. Don't worry, we got your back. Right, high five? Hey, Cindy, you want to focus?
For your information, I have a double sugar addiction, and it's a very serious...
Listen, Fingerhead, we have to get Gene out of the game without blowing him up.
I don't want to blow up.
We have to match up the candy so the
See,
Gene
we
drop
got
the
pink,
bottom.
red, orange, yellow.
Can't match
Don't use
any
yellows.
yellows. Or else.
Oh, don't do that! Please don't do that! Said she.
Got it?
That's 3 in a row.
And we have to be very careful.
Watch it! Whoa! No, none of the slow down. Not the yellows, not the yellows. I can't, careful! So, ooh. I want Cheerios too.
Hey, Allie, I was
says
just wondering if you are what?
Excuse me?
Uh,
Hi, Nikki. See you later, Alex.
Ah! So, ooh.
I'd like to make a point. Listen, this phone contains It's not working.
Well, there's one option left. Line you up with those.
You want to line? Hey, Mom.
Special candies get transported to that jar. The game might think you're a special candy.
We're watching Emoji.
What if it doesn't?
I'm busy.
Oh.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Mom, Jane just died! Yeah, no! Let's restart over!
Jailbreak, hello? Hello, jailbreak.
Alright, I'll take a break.
What if it doesn't think I'm a special kid?
Oh, I'm not too worried about it.
Okay, just do it.
He's gonna die again. Back!
Jane! Oh, no.
Jane!
You were trying to see if I had somehow turned into candy, weren't you? Yes, I was. And you have not.
Hey, looks like something popped up on Alex's calendar.